Small-scale evaluation of automated blood pressure measuring devices. Sounds like the title of a research paper, right? Indeed, research is an expression of man's unquenchable thirst to know the unknown. In this case, the concerned researcher wanted to know if there was a significant difference between the diastolic blood pressure readings, which we are going to generalize now as BP readings from the automated sphygmomanometers provided by the government for public use, and the more traditional manual BP readings obtained by a qualified individual. Gathering data as empirical evidence to answer the research problem requires careful planning for efficiency, avoidance of bias, and precise and accurate measurement of variables. Take your time to review these first steps that the researcher had considered before delving into the field. If you were to work with this researcher, are you in agreement with these plans? Are there procedures that you think you can do without? Do you have additional suggestions for your co-researcher? Here are the more specific things that you might need to consider before diving into this research. What will be your answers to each of these considerations? We will use a portion of video teleconference 1 to discuss the answers to these questions. Now back to the research. 4 locations within the study area were chosen: A, B, C, and D. Originally, the researchers planned for 100 participants or samples per location. Observe what has happened here. Also, are the apparent differences in blood pressure between automated machine and human measurements at 2 of the locations, C and D, real? Or were they due to chance? You'll find that quantifying this amount of chance is necessary in performing what we call inferential statistical analysis.